Oh my gosh. Gandalf, look at that ring. It is so big. It looks like Lord Sauron's ring. But, who understands Lord Sauron anyway? They only talk to him because he's like the ruler of Mordor, okay? I mean, the ring, it's just so big. I can't believe it's just so round. It's like out there. I mean, ew, look. It's just so greedy. I like big rings and I cannot lie. You other hobbits can't deny. When a king walks in with a big evil grin and a round thing in your face, you get obsessed. When I get that ring, gonna do everything it can. I'm hooked on the ring on his hand, and I want under my command. Oh, Frodo, I wanna get with ya and take your picture. The hobbits tried to warn me, but that ring you got makes me so greedy. Ooh, mamma mia, you say you wanna get that ring too? So try me, but you ain't got no pie like me. They see me fighting, but I'm fast as lightning. They punch, they kick, and it all makes me so sick. They're all jealous of my ring, because I got no ring. Take the average hobbit and ask him that. I'll hit you with the bat. So, Frodo, yeah, did you get the ring? Oh yeah, well don't be conceited. Frodo got ring. Frodo got ring. I like them round and big, and when I'm throwing a gig, I just can't help myself. I'm looking like an animal. Now here's my scandal. I wanna get that ring, and yeah, show it off, yeah. I ain't talking about ring pops, cause those aren't worth a lot. I want them real freaking pricey, so find that devil carrot. Frodo's in trouble, better not get that fumble. So I'm sitting here thinking about it. I was like all the rest, you can have those treasures. I'll keep my cool and do measures. A word to the selfish people, don't let it get in ya. I won't cause so with you, but I gotta be straight when I say I wanna give till the break of day. Baby got it going on, like Santa giving away all the toys. That guy just likes to give, that's just how we should live. Word. Yeah! Thank you. And now we will continue on to the rest of the presentation. Enjoy!